Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rama Patil, consultant neurologist at Suraj Hospital. Today we will cover some of the basics of stroke in this video. You have likely heard this term stroke before. There are around 2 million cases of stroke every year in India. Stroke can happen in two ways. In the first type, the artery supplying blood to the brain gets blocked by a clot, which is called ischemic stroke. Around 85% of strokes are of this type, while in other, the blood vessel supplying the blood to the brain gets burst or leaks, which causes blood to come out and accumulate in the brain tissue surrounding. Suffers from symptoms of stroke, you should seek emergency medical care right away because prompt treatment can reduce the likelihood of disability and death occurring from stroke. Who gets it? Stroke can happen to anyone, but certain things can increase your chances of having stroke. If you are 55 or older, if you are a man, or anyone in the family has suffered from stroke or heart attacks, increases the chances of you having stroke. Apart from that, being overweight, physically inactive, drinking alcohol heavily, using recreational drugs can increase the risk. Also, those who smoke have certain types of heart disease, suffering from obstructive sleep apnea, having higher cholesterol levels, having higher blood pressure, or uncontrolled diabetes can also have increased risk of stroke. How is it diagnosed? It is diagnosed based on the signs and symptoms with addition to certain tests. To remember the signs and symptoms of stroke, you can remember the acronym BFAST, where B stands for sudden loss of balance, E stands for eyes, sudden loss of vision in one or both eyes, F stands for facial weakness or drooping of one side of the face, A stands for arm weakness, sudden hanging of one side of the arm or leg, S stands for slurring of speech or inability to speak, and T stands for time. It's the time to call emergency if you or anyone you know suffers from these symptoms even temporarily, because in something called transient ischemic attack, these symptoms come and go. They may last for only several minutes but completely disappear. Even if these symptoms disappear completely, you should seek the emergency care because there are chances of you having stroke in a day or a week coming. Once you arrive the emergency care, there the physician or the emergency staff may do a complete physical exam and review your history. They will also do a certain CT scan or MRI, which are pictures of the brain and the arteries supplying the blood to the brain, and determine what type of stroke you have. They can arrive at the decision what treatment will be best for you. If you are suffering from ischemic stroke, then the intravenous clot buster medicine is given to the patient if the patient has arrived within 4.5 hours and if the patient fulfills certain other eligibility criteria. Doctors may also do a procedure, endovascular procedure, in which a tiny plastic tube called catheter is advanced into the blood vessels till the brain and the clot is removed directly. Unlike ischemic stroke and hemorrhagic stroke, the main goal is to reduce the blood spillage and reduce the brain pressure developing. For that, the doctors will use certain emergency medicines to reduce the blood pressure to prevent the seizures. They may also perform a surgery to remove the blood clot if the brain pressures are high. Stroke is a life-changing event which can affect you emotionally as much as it can affect physically. At times, you may feel frustrated, depressed, and helpless. So look for support and help from your family and friends. Accept that recovery will take a lot of hard work and most of all your time. Strive for new normal and celebrate every new progress. Every individual has different stroke recovery path. At Suraj Hospital, our goal is to provide you as much recovery as possible so that you live independently. We have full team involving a neurologist, radiologist, emergency staff, and a good rehab team. Along with that, from acute care to the rehabilitation, we are well equipped to provide excellent stroke care. Thank you.